2026. We are here.
Yoo-hoo! Another reset. It's there's no limit on how many times that you could reset your life. This is 2026. This is
26.
this is our first episode. That's crazy how time flies, right? Hi,
Sure.
Balkisu. How are you?
I am doing excellent. Excellent.
Love
Excellent.
that.
It's 2026 for sure, people. If you are here, we're here again with you live with what? Stepping out in faith. We are here live again. So, yeah, take it on, Melissa. Take it on. Take it on.
In 2025, I know I am overwhelmed. I have so many things that I have on my plate as well. I got overwhelmed. I said maybe there's wrong with me. I don't know how to manage time because I got panic. There's anxiety there because I am thinking I have so many things to do and just breathe in, relax, and then do one thing at a time. That is what I'm going to do this 2026. And you know what? I don't care anymore with what people are going to say as long as I'm not stepping on others people's toes, as long as I know what I am doing is still aligns with my value and with my culture, and then of course belonging to the community.
Hmm.
I'm not going to listen to people. I'm not, because on this business we are doing live, we are being authentic with ourselves, and I am thinking sometimes, what if they watch this? What are they going to think of me? What, those second voices that you've been hearing? Come on,
Hmm.
people. This is your life. No one is paying your bills. Like I said, if you're not hurting someone, if you're not stepping on their toes, don't listen to them. Keep going. This is your life. You are creating your own story.
Absolutely.
Oh.
It's amazing. I'm pumped up for this year. Just as you're saying, last year was different than this year for me. But at the same time, for our viewers and listeners, if this is the first time, this is your new resolution to find something online that you can be watching to encourage you. You're at the right place at the right time. My name is Balkisu. I call myself Queen B, and I'm here in Canada, originally from Sierra Leone. Miss Salon Fambule, I don't come back. Oh, this now your sister they talk so, and I will make me sister self here. So, Melissa, let her introduce herself, where she's coming from. Maybe this is the first time that you're seeing us, and we're here just to encourage you, to motivate you. If you're not motivated, you are here the right place because we will motivate you. We will shake you up.